Friends, I am representing Suraj School Patodi and we are going to conduct an experiment to show the given materials are conductors or insulators. For doing that, we will set up firstly a circuit, a simple circuit, and we need for that some substances like eraser, which we have to identify whether it is insulator or conductor, a metal pen, a plastic pen, a pencil, and water, tap water. So these are the things or materials which we have to identify whether they are conductors or insulators. And for preparing a simple circuit, we need a LED bulb, a simple battery, and some wires. So let's start the experiment. For doing that, firstly we will set up a simple circuit, and for doing that we will firstly join the one end of the battery, one terminal of the battery, to a wire like this. As it is a simple circuit, we have not joined the switch to the circuit. And another battery terminal to the another wire like this. Now we have joined the wires to the both the terminals of the battery. Now to the another terminal of the wire we joined a bulb here, LED bulb, and when we complete the circuit the bulb will glow like this. This is a simple circuit. So if we have to identify whether the material is conductor or insulator, like firstly we are observing the tap water is conductor or insulator. By putting the ends in the water, see this, we have not joined the wire together, but the bulb is glowing. That shows the tap water is a conductor. After that, if you have to identify whether the wood, the pencil is made up of wood, is a conductor or insulator, we will join the two ends to the pencil, but the bulb is not glowing. That shows the wood is an insulator. In the same manner, we take a metal pin, and when we join the metal pin to both the ends of the wire, it glows again. This shows the metal pin is a conductor.